I believe in him. Don't laugh at him.
My bad, go. I'm cheering him on. Woo!
Yes, Worrywort!
Yeah.
Yes, you got this! Yes! Oh, look at him go! He's doing better now that we're cheering.
Yep, you need Josh.
Yes, Worrywort!
Okay.
Worrywort, you got this. Don't stop. Just keep going. Just grab it and run. Oh, that strat. Do you see this?
I see it. Oh,
we should buy the anti-gravity cube.
Yeah. The shimmy. Right.
Why did you do that?
Because he's shimmying up.
You're ridiculous. Oh wait, let me
ridiculous.
watch his back. Yeah, you're ridiculous.
Redonkulous. Oh, there, he figured it out. Except it's stuck on the drone.
No, he didn't. Oh, the drone's about to lose power too. This situation's redonkulous.
What? How did you pick up redonkulous and ridiculous in your vocab?
Because you just said it.
I
Yeah. How do you not notice you said something as stupid as redonkulous? I still I pick something up after you say it 2 seconds before. Jesus Christ.
I didn't hear it. I didn't know I said that. It felt natural.
You didn't hear it? It came out of your mouth.
I don't remember. I think you're lying to
Press the button.
Check the footage! And replay that shit back!
me. Redonkulous. Never getting this thing up this bad, is
No, you gotta trust. And Worrywort we trust.
it? He's gonna push it.
Wait, he might be
He's cooking.
the goat of geniuses.
Dude, this physics-based game is kicking his butt.
No, Worrywort's the goat of all time. Don't even worry about it.
He is the game of the year.
You're redonkulous.
We're gonna leave this game.
I don't think I've heard the word redonkulous since 2012. I'm gonna be honest.
I've literally been saying it for like years. The fact people didn't use it offended me for really.
Oh, I felt that. I felt the pain.
Oh, I would have just.
Oh. Oh no. Bro, I would have ran into the laser.
The baby in there, dude.
Everyone's out to get my goat.
What do they do to them, bro? What do you do to them?
Free my boy!
I felt a bit of coda in that.
Excuse you. That's my thing.
You did that first?
Yes, I did that in the video.
No. Oh
Did you
yeah,
just
it
break
was.
the box?
It was weird.
Where did the box go? And why did he lose $2,000? What the fuck?
The clown thing ran into it.
No, but it just lost $2,000 and then the box disappeared.
Oh.
At like
He's
the same
haunted.
time. Trying to forgive everything I did.
I believe him. No one believes him? I don't. There's gotta be a better
Okay,
man.
give up.
Okay.
I'm getting strong Sisyphus vibes from the.
What?
Oh, he struggles more than Sisyphus.
I can't get any of this stuff in here.
Sisyphus.
Oh.
One must
Oh.
have mentioned Sisyphus happy. It is not what's happening right
Sisyphus
now.
is not happy.